In this video, let me show you how to use Equalizer in Suzuki Vitara. So let me show you how to adjust Equalizer, how to choose the specific presets, and let me talk about what does this preset means. Alright, so at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's use the left tab and select this note icon to open the EV settings. From EV settings, let's choose sound settings. So the first option. Now let's use the second option, which is equalizer presets. As you can see right now, we are in a equalizer adjustments. So here we can choose the specific audio frequencies like bass, mid-range or treble. Right now we are using flat, so it means no frequencies are being boosted or cut. You hear the raw sound as it was recorded, but you can choose some of the following presets, like for example rock. It usually boosts bass and treble. You can for example choose pop to emphasize vocal, or we can choose some other such as classical, jazz, hip hop, or we can also choose here custom and adjust the presets by our needs. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.